Good morning and welcome to JW Solar USA. Today's video to show you how much power we're making right here at Command Center. And if you have not been a subscriber yet, please subscribe because I'm bringing videos mostly all the time for you to watch how my solar power system off-grid is working. So this is the start. This morning at 00 kilowatt, we're bringing 1400 watts back to the batteries at 51.3 amps. So you guys can see the batteries were not that low. I have the batteries down to 89%. So with just about 11% we used last night, so we're putting back 45 amps back to the batteries. Okay, this is how we run in here. 24 volt off-grid solar power. Look at that, bringing a lot of amps. I'm gonna take you outside and see the conditions and see what do you think. Stay tuned. Alright folks, at a full speed, just about short time here, you guys already seen almost 100 watts is already generated. That's so rapid, fast. Well, summer is coming and you guys gonna be seeing all the power production coming from JW Solar USA. So I'll be updating you as I go. In 2 minutes I started shooting this video. You guys see exactly 2 minutes now, we just created 100 watt. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more to come from this channel, JW Solar USA, Minnesota. Alright folks, check this out. We're bringing 22.2 amps from the arrays. Okay, let's bring it 22.2 amps just on this classic. So we're cranking some power here. Yeah, so it's not even spring yet and we're fast approaching spring. And look at those amps coming in. .2 amps from the array is the input. You see the input here, you see it, and the output is giving 51.9 amps direct to the batteries. That's what is happening right now. 50 something, but you can see it's powering the loads and we are bringing 46.3 amps back to the batteries. Alright, JW Solar USA, I just want to show you what's going on right here. We're heading all the way to 2.8 kilowatts today, right now, and we're on absorb mode. But we're still bringing power. If I check the time right now, it's just 1400 hours live here in Minnesota, and we're still generating more power for the off-grid solar power home. And we're still bringing 17 amps at 500 watt and 2.2 kilowatt. So I hope as time goes on, I keep on updating you till the system goes on float. And if it happen not to show that at the end of the day, well, I might probably already caught up with something else. But this is the production as we go, and I want you to see, since you're watching this video, and this is how we've been generating power live here at the Command Center, JW Solar USA. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. Stay tuned for more to come from this channel. If you haven't been a subscriber yet, please subscribe and give a like and turn the notification bell on for any time I post a video, feature video. You guys are gonna be the first one to be notified. Coming from the Command Center, JW Solar USA in Minnesota. Bye.